Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Been asked a question by Alex of Nuneaton about is there a way to hammer in nails without hitting my thumb every time? Well Alex, yes there is. The Amtech Nail Holder Pliers B4310. Made from impact resistant polypropylene and suitable for a wide range of pins, tacks and nails including masonry. Ideal for overhead nailing of plasterboard or wall panels. It's easy to use, lightweight, strong and improves safety and accuracy when nailing. Use the 2 feet on the back to give you a flat level surface. Insert the nail into the correct size. Keep your fingers out of the way. Once you've got it in place, nail down. Again, for the longer nails, use the feet, level surface, place the nail in the top section, no hurt thumbs. For shorter pins and nails from 1mm up to 4.5mm, use the front. For longer nails, from 2.5mm up to 4mm, use the back. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.